Problem 3 says, Jeremy is confused about this problem. How many equals 10 minus 8? Be his teacher. Write 2 addition number sentences that might help him understand and solve it. You can also explain to Jeremy using words, pictures, or numbers too. So, we are confused about this problem. How many equals 10 minus 8? You need to help him. You need to explain how to solve this problem by using 2 addition number sentences. So on your space on Pear Deck, I want you to show me 2 addition number sentences that would help me find the answer to the problem, how many equals 10 minus 8. So you're going to have those 2 addition number sentences. You can use words, pictures, or numbers to help explain too. Good luck. Remember, 2 addition number sentences.